Here I have a small Bandmaster accordion. It has 25 keys in the treble with 12 bass buttons. There are 2 reeds in the treble, and this is what the treble side sounds like. So your typical bandonian setting. On the bass side, it has a very deep bass, almost not quite helicon, but somewhere in the middle. So it's a very, very deep bass. This would be a very nice learner accordion for somebody just starting out. It's red. It's a really cute red and black marbleized with the white bellows. It's perfect for somebody just starting out. And I'll play you something so you can hear what it sounds like.